you've been walking a path with us for all these years, pointing things, out along the way. Not a guru, but a friend. And it's time for us to walk the path and point things out to other people. But of course, we don't want you to stop walking on the pathway with us. And all the years that we've been, working with you, we've learned how to discern the voices of our higher selves and our souls and our egos and our lesser parts. And so how can we communicate with you outside of workshops?
Well, don't worship us. Don't put us on a pedestal. Don't put us in that position where we cannot touch you, where you cannot touch us. We are a friend. Let us be your friend. So don't worship us. That's a way to connect with us more clearly so. Another we would suggest is to create your ritual for communicating, not blending or just calling for help and asking for help. Certainly so, you continue that. But to create, you and us, you and us, where to get to be together, to just sit and hang out, as it were, to just sometimes do nothing at all. Maybe it is down by the sea in the night or at sunset. Maybe it's on a rock somewhere, or maybe it's sitting leaning against a wonderful ancient one tree. Maybe it is a special place within your safe place, or maybe it's a place physically within your home, that this is the place I go to sit and talk with Lazaris. It is important that you create steps. Doesn't have to be 7 of them, but you need to create steps of how you get there. With the channel, the first time he encountered us, that he was aware of encountering us, he walked in, followed a path into a wood, a path that curved. It had the curve in his reality. Came to a creek, and on the other side, or over there, was his cabin with a diamond-shaped framing in the windows and amber light coming through. The door was slightly ajar. He stopped at the water and splashed his face 3 times, and then came and creaked the door open, and there we were, sitting, waiting for him. That has been his ritual for the last 50 years, almost 50. That has been his ritual, to come to just be with us, not to channel us. That happens in a totally different way, but to be with us, to sit and chat. He comes down that path. He sees the cabin. Sometimes smoke in the chimney, sometimes not. And does this ritual of preparation, comes and creaks the door open. Doesn't swing it open, but creaks it open a little more. And then comes in, and we're there, sitting there, in a rocking chair, of course. And he comes and we sit and we sometimes just be. Just be. Sometimes we be for a while and then we talk about this or that or the other. Sometimes we initiate the conversation. Sometimes he does. And we just chat. It's not words. It's resonance. It's understanding. It's realization. Sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes 20. And when the time is done, he comes out, doesn't have to walk back, he doesn't have to far, but comes out. And maybe there's nothing concrete that he's aware of, but something has shifted. And within hours or within days, oh my gosh, it's there. So write it down once you create, and create your ritual of entry. It doesn't have to be complex. It doesn't have to even involve as many steps as the channel has created his. But once you decide on it, settle with it and use it. Because what that does is adjust your resonance, certainly so, opens you to and aligns the energies so that we can make that connection. And that's a way, a very powerful way to do that.